Good evening to you all. Looking so tired. New friends at Icse are there. Avi has come back. Sit down. Actually, is of last class. Please stand up. There were 2-3 were after. No, last class. Please stand up. 1, 2. Only 2. 1, 2. Huh? What happened here? Wow. And he was standing up the next one. I think he gave him the second. You are the one sitting over there. I just look it down. I don't think not there. Cricket match. Where? You are the IPL is going. You are not going to watch it. Next class. Next class only is not coming. Who is your favorite team? Where were you? Where did you go? Your party. So let's all go now. Yes, sir. How many you are taking? So tell brother we are 25. How brother what his elder brother is Maths, any matches done? No. Sit down, homework were there? Yes, sir. What was the homework? 2 questions. There is not Question. Is it here? Yeah. 11th one is the problem. Yes. Read the question, Dhwani. No problem. You open the record, read.
X and Y are positive integers that satisfy.
Stop.
So 1 less than equal to
1 less than or equal to x less than
equal to 4.
But here,
So add 3x plus 2y less than equal to 30.
3x plus 2y
Less than equal to. And then the possible values of.
Now look here. This one, if it is coming this way, means there is some mistake is in this question now. Because if it is less than or equal to 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 13 means, if you consider this way, 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. Do you know what does it graphically represent? It's a straight line. Have you followed? It's a line. So less than means in one side, complete region will come. Okay, linear equation no, so complete region. It should be, I think it should be instead of less than or equal to, it should be equal to 13, then it will work. If it was equal to 13, then here x a positive integer means what? X is equal to what are the values you can take? 1, 2, 3, 4. When x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? Obviously from here you can get y is equal to 13 minus 3x divided by 2. That is y is equal to 35. When x is equal to 2, what is the value of y? 13 minus 7 by 2, which is not an integer. X equal to 3, y is equal to 13 minus 9, 4 by 2, that is 2. What is she talking about? She is complaining. I'll ask you to read the next question. Okay. X equal to 4, 13 minus 12, that is 1 by 2. So only two integers, so value of y is equal to either 2 or 5. It should be that equation should be equal to 13. Less than 13 means it's a region will come. Okay. Anyway, this anyway you have now the chapter contains only one variable now. Two variable questions are not there. It should be this one. That question printing mistake is there. Less than or equal to. If we raise and we can make it as equal to 13. Then only it will work out. Otherwise, you have to make the x-axis, y-axis region. You have to make it. That is a feasible region type. Okay. There are different values will be there. That also there are ways are there. First is you have to make the graph of this one. 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. You can make it as which is the one when x is equal to 0. What is the value of y? X equal to 0. Y is equal to 13 by 2. 6.5 somewhere will come now. And when x is y equal to 0, x is equal to how much? Y equal to 0, x equal to 13 by 3. 13 by 3 is coming in 4 point something. Okay, so there is a one. This is 13 by 3. And this is 13 by 2. Now, what is the meaning of 1 less than x less than for me? There is a 1 is there is a 4. In this region, whatever the values of y. This much is down. Now integer means what are the values of integers coming. Here it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Different values. This is not there. This is not in this level. Only this is only one equal to 13. They can do it. Okay. Anyway, but even the chapter itself only how many variables? One variable. Anything else? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Chapter is over.
Yes,
3 chapters are done. I'll give you a test of 3 chapters. Right, so full mark.
No.
So what is the point of this? Who is prepared for 3 chapters? GST, finding, linear equations. Prepared. Test papers are starting here. Yes, sir. 24. What are the chapters? GST and finding. Please do it. Seriously do it. Okay. And you will get only look here. Limited timing only is there. Half an hour paper. Classes means 15 marks and half an hour. So you have to complete on time. Practice and come. Basically, the questions which will be from the textbook only all the books. Practice. Okay. Don't keep it pending the works. Now, so this chapter gets over now. We will go on to next chapter. Dhwani has announced the quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation.
Yes.
Okay.
Quadratic equation.
After quadratic equation, we will do 3 years of equation. Here there are 3 quadratic. Don't worry, you can. 3. How many chapters are there for it? Sorry, out of 3, 2 we are doing.
Yes.
Huh? Reflection. Reflection is done. He is with the same school only. Different section. That also different syllabus. Their school, their class, he is in IPL and all that. Do one thing, this one, IPL, then they do with their wives are there, join with them. Huh? Yeah, alright, okay now. Quadratic equation we will start now.
Yes.
Only quadratic problem based on also. 2 chapters of quadratic equation there.
Only quadratic.
Only quadratic. Okay, so what is the quadratic equation?
So ax square equals to this.
Give you a chance, she's not giving the chance. Huh?
A square plus bx plus c.
So right, chapter 18 is quadratic equation. You know what is linear equation by the way? An equation of degree 1. Okay, linear equation is an equation of degree 1. What is the general form of the equation? Okay, right. Chapter 18 signed all of you. Who is missing? Shreyas. Today Shreyas is not here. Here, chapter 18 written quadratic equations. By the way, you know what is a linear equation? Linear equation means equation of degree 1. What do you mean by quadratic equation? Equation of degree 2. Cubic equation, degree 3. What is the general form of a linear equation? Ax linear. Ax plus b is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Okay, so right. Just write linear equation. General form is linear equation heading you can write. Linear equation. General form is ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0, comma a not equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0, comma a not equal to 0. What is its solution? Do you know what is the meaning of solution? We already discussed. What is the solution? Those who know, raise the hand. Raise the hand. Yes. Minus b by a, isn't it?
Yes.
If you know how to find the solving linear equation, value of the variable, that is x. Ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b by a. I don't need to make it right now. Then next one, we'll write quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Equation of degree 2. Equation of degree 2. Written
Yes.
general form. General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Okay. Solutions finding, there are different ways are there. Okay. One is called factorization. Second one is called quadratic formula. And there is a third method is by completing the square. That method is you don't have. Okay. So there are basically two methods you have to remember. One is by factorization. You are done in the 9th standard and 8th standard splitting middle term. You are remembering now.
Yes,
The
sir.
same process. Quadratic formula we will teach you, and with the help of formula method we will tell you. Okay. Solution are also known as. Solution of a quadratic equation is also known as. Solution of a quadratic equation is also known as. Its roots. Roots. Find the roots of the equation means solution. So right now, solution of a quadratic equation. Solution of the quadratic equation is also known as its roots. Its roots. Roots. Okay. How many roots are there for a quadratic equation? 2.
2.
2, 3, 4. Maximum 2. Degree, look here. If it is degree 1, maximum is 1. Always is 1. Degree 2 is maximum 2. Degree 3 means maximum 3. Maximum 2 means sometimes it is there are 2 roots. Sometimes there is only 1. Sometimes there is no root. There are different solutions. Okay. So right. Quadratic equation have at the most, maximum means at the most. Quadratic equation have at the most 2 roots. Have at the most 2 roots. Okay. You know what you mean by roots? Solution. Okay. Solution we are finding it. Before finding the solution, we are going to study about the nature of the roots and all. Nature of the roots is coming as what type of roots are coming. Is there roots are there or does not exist at all? Okay. That's it. For that one, the general equation is ax square plus bx plus c. There is one word is called discriminant. Heard about discriminant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is discriminant? Discriminant. Heard about? No, if you don't tell na. Third word you heard about. Formula heard.
Yes.
What is it?
Square minus
Is
square
done in your school?
minus
Okay, right. Where next heading, right? Discriminant. DIS. Discriminant. Okay. The value of, right? What is the discriminant? The value of b square minus 4ac. Value of b square minus 4ac is called its discriminant. Value of b square minus 4ac is called its discriminant. Somewhere is denoted by d. D is equal to denoted by d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Avi, what is discriminant?
B square minus 4.
B square minus 4ac. Okay. So, Avi, what is the discriminant of this equation? Just calculate and all of you got it. What is the discriminant? Calculate. No need to shout. What is the discriminant of this equation? What is the value of A? Do it and check now. Value of A 3. B 2, C minus 6. Got it? How much? Abhi, what is the value? He said yes, and he said this much. You can see the board?
Yes, sir.
And then tell now what is the answer?
Sir, D0.
D0.
Yes, sir.
Who else got 0? Who got the answer?
76.
Huh?
76.
76. Who got 76? Look here. Yes, correct. A is equal to 3. B is equal to 2. C is equal to minus 6. So B square minus 4AC is equal to 2 square minus 4 times 3 times minus 6. 4. This is plus 12 6 are 72. That is equal to 76. Are you followed, Abhi? Yes or no? Oh, 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how did you get 0 then? Answer, find out. Value of discriminant. Quickly. Mental calculation also you can do. It's not that difficult.
Yes, sir.
I did not ask to shout the answer. Who all got the answer? Zero. Yes or no? A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 9. So B square minus 4AC is equal to minus 6 whole square. Minus 4 times 1 times 9. 36 minus 36. 0. What's the answer?
Yes, sir.
Find out the third one. 3x square plus x plus 8 equal to 0.
So,
95 minus 95. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So, no? What did you get? Tell now what did you get? That you are going to calculate. That's if you are given chance to others to calculate. It's so difficult, no? The value of A is so much. Ritu, what is the value of A? B. 1. That is the coefficient. Okay. C. Hey, now you can calculate. No, you are confused that one only, no? Okay. So tell now immediately. Tell. Okay. If nothing is there, means coefficient is 1 always. Remember. Okay. Now, how about this one? Is it a quadratic equation?
Yes.
No. Yes. No.
yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. How about this one? Is it a quadratic equation? No. How about this one? Is it a quadratic equation? Yes. No.
No, sir.
Yes. No. What is the quadratic equation? That's why you don't follow. What is the quadratic equation?
A square plus bx plus c
That's all.
equals to 0.
That's all.
Where a is not equal to 0.
Where A not equal to 0. So you wrote this one. Listen here. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where A not equal to 0. A should not be 0. B can be 0. C can be 0. Both can be 0. Okay. Understood. What is x? The variable over there. What is A? Coefficient of x square. B? Coefficient of x. C? Constant term. Okay. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, constant term. Are you following? Once again, let's identify quadratic equation. General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant term. A should not be 0, b can be 0, c can be 0, or both can be. Suppose if it is coming as 3x square equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes. Okay, this also is a quadratic equation. Understood? And we spoke about the roots. Roots means solution of the equation. How many roots? At the most 2 roots. Okay, discriminant. B square minus 4ac. 3 cases I have shown. Once discriminant was positive, other case I got the discriminant was 0. Third case discriminant was negative. So that means this value can be positive, negative, or 0. Understood? Now depends upon this one, we can identify nature of the roots. Means what type of roots will be coming. Okay. So below you write nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Now, first one. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Written?
Yes.
Now, this equal means there are different words sometimes will come. Roots are real and repeating. Roots are real and coincident. Roots are real and same roots. So equal root, same root. Different words come means that is called this one. Understood now?
Yes.
That is the condition. Second, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what? What is the meaning greater than 0? Positive. No. The roots are real and unequal. Then the roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Written? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal. Unequal means two distinct roots. Different roots, okay, not the same root, distinct roots will come. Okay, that also. So, third one. Third, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, the root b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are imaginary, no real roots. Roots are imaginary. No real roots, no solution. Wherever it is given no solution, no real roots, all of them are the same people. Okay? Written?
Yes.
Next, fourth case. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then the roots are real. Roots are real.
So we will
Look here, that this is the combination of first and second. You have studied inequality now. The first one was real and equal. Second one was real and unequal. So if it is 0 or positive, the roots are real. If it is equal to 0, it is equal. Or it is not equal to 0, positive means unequal. Understood or not? So the case is coming. What is the condition for real roots? All of you learned?
Yes.
Condition followed. Should I ask? Let's go through two more conditions I will give. Okay. Right. If b square minus 4ac is a perfect square. If b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, then the roots are rational. Roots are rational. Roots are rational. Provided ABC are rational numbers. Provided that ABC are rational numbers. Okay. And if b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, the roots are irrational. Next one, b square minus 4ac. That also you have to write greater than 0 also. B square minus 4ac greater than 0 and not a perfect square. Not greater than 0 and not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. The roots are irrational. Not a perfect square. Roots are irrational. This all once again you will come to know when we use the formula. Okay, that there will be properties will come. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4 cases is the common part. Okay, this is some last two cases are the special cases are coming. Learned all. Was learned. Srishti.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Shruti. Srishti. Whatever name is here, they are there. Okay. Okay. Srishti. What's the condition for real? No. I did not tell the question. You are looking in the book.
B square minus 4ac is greater than equal to
Which one?
real.
Let me finish the question. You don't. What's the condition for real and unequal?
B square minus 4ac is
Greater than 0. Okay. Shruti. Okay, Bhatia. What is the condition for roots are unequal?
B square minus 4ac is greater than 0.
Greater than 0.
Less than 0.
What?
B square minus 4ac is less than 0.
For what?
The roots are
And if it is less than 0, there is no real roots, imaginary roots. Check. Yes or no? Don't confuse. Okay. B square minus 4 is equal to 0. Roots are equal and real. Okay. B square minus 4 is greater than 0. Greater than 0. Real and unequal. What is the condition for coincident roots? Coincident roots. Shruti. Shruti is there?
Yes.
Stand up. Not there in the book, no? Tell it is not there in the book.
B square minus 4ac equals 0.
Coincident means saying. I said no, when the word I said no. Coincident root means what? Equal roots only. Understood? Coincident root, repeated root, same root, all of them are same. So that these parts are clear now. Okay. So words in a different ways if it's written, you should identify what is it. Okay. So that is only the first stage. Then let's come to the exercise 5.1. There are 3 questions there. So the example is about without solving, comment upon the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. How do you comment on? Find out the value discriminant. So write first equation 7x square minus 9x plus 2. First write 7x square minus 9x plus 2 equal to 0. A is equal to 7. B is equal to minus 9. C is equal to 2. B square minus 4AC value find out. First one.
Yes.
Got out?
Yes, sir.
Minus 9 whole square minus 4 times 2 times 2. Sorry, 4 times 7 times 2. 81 minus 72 now. Yes or not? 9. So, B square minus 4AC is what?
25. 6. 81 minus 56. Yes,
Here minus 56.
So how much? B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. So what is the answer?
Real.
Real roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Second one. Answer you wrote down B square minus 6. Okay. Second part start with. Roots are real and unequal. Second one. What is the question?
X square plus 2 root 3 multiplied by minus 9.
X square plus 2 root 3 x now. Plus 9 or minus 9?
Minus 9.
Equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2 root 3. C is equal to minus 9. B square minus 4AC. 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 times 1 time minus 9. 4 3s are 12 plus 36. Again, B square minus 4AC greater than 0. Yes or no? So roots are real and unequal. Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
How many parts are there? One more is there. Okay. Easy now?
Yes.
2x square plus 8x plus 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 2, B is equal to 8, C is equal to 9. Again find out B square minus 4AC. Avi, what's the answer? What is the answer you got third part? Did you get? Doing? Who was done? Only 2, 3 only done. C 4, 5, 6, 7. Ishani done. Fast. How much? 8 square minus 4 times 2 times 9. 64 minus 72. B square minus 4AC less than 0. Roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Calculations are not going properly. Yes. So, first question, there are 3 parts only now.
Yes.
Okay. Got the answer? Second question, read the question. Done. Too fast. Already completed. Read the second. What happened? Read the second question.
the value of P if we follow the quadratic equation of equal root 4x squared minus and bracket P minus 2. So,
P minus 2.
x plus 1.
So you have, if this is the one, you have to find the value of P. The following equation has what roots? Equal roots. So first you write A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus of P minus 2, C is equal to 1. Okay. Next step you write given. What is given? Equation has equal roots. Therefore, B square minus 4AC is equal to what? 0. So replace minus of P minus 2, the whole square, minus 4 times 1 is equal to 0. Hope all of you are following.
Yes.
Therefore, minus of P minus 2 whole square is P minus 2 whole square minus 16 is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
So then find out the value of P. Let me see who is going to do. What you are using? I can solve it. Pretty program you remember? You made mistake now. How did you get the date? 16 minus 4 is 8. 1 minus 16 is 0. Minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square is identity. What is A minus B whole square? I can make you to list out the identity if you want. I will give the list of identities. So this should be P plus 2. How? So then minus P plus 2 will come now.
Yes.
If you are opening the bracket, it is minus P plus 2 will come now. Square of minus is how much? So P minus 2 whole square. Why you have to open the bracket? Understood or not? It is not P plus 2 in any case. Look now, minus P plus 2. Okay, so they don't take that minus inside. Square of minus is plus. All of you listen. Identities, you know, you need. And do you need the identities? Throughout the year, you have to apply various space identities. Do only homework. I studied all the identities. No, homework brought down list the identities. List of identities. Okay. Come now.
Yes.
You know which are identities?
Yes, sir.
A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. Okay. One day list and next list. Till cube also is there. Factorization parts are there. Okay. So now look here. This one can be done. Listen, all of you. This can be done in two different ways. One of the way, P minus 2 whole square minus 16 is same as 4 square. Identity A square minus B square. A minus B times A plus B. Are you followed or not?
Yes.
This is the easiest way to do. That is P minus 6 times P plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, what will you get? Either two cases comes. P minus 6 equal to 0, P plus 2 equal to 0. That is P is equal to 6 or minus 2. Are you followed?
Yes.
Yes.
Some others are done by expanded this one. P square minus 4P plus 4 minus 16. That you simplified, you got P square minus 4P minus 12. Split the middle term, same answer will come. Okay, now completed this one. After completing, I need to ask something. Wait, let all of them complete. The question is it both the values of P or only one value? How do you know? Just like that.
6.
Oh, here or and not this one. Nothing to do. That is inequality.
Like substitute P with.
Where you substitute? So that means here you will substitute and solve it to get whether it's equal solution. Complete all of you. Look here. How to identify whether both the values or not. You don't substituting and all is not required. You check what is A. What is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the value of A? 4. If p equal to 6, what is the value of A? 4. If p is equal to minus 2, what is the value of A? Same 4 only, no. Therefore, both satisfied. Now you are thinking why he is telling. Instead of A, instead of 4, if it was p minus 6. If it was A was p minus 6, then is it, for example, if the question was this way, p minus 6 times x square plus 2p plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0, and you got p is equal to 6 and p is equal to minus 2. Here what are the values of p? Only minus 2. 6 cannot be possible. Why? When p is equal to 6, a becomes 0. Are you followed or not? So how to verify? Just check what is A. If A contains P means check. We substitute whether it is A will become 0. If A becomes 0 means that value should not be taken. Are you followed? There are questions coefficient of x square may be P also is there. These type of questions comes. Are you followed all of you? If not followed, I repeat. That is why I keep on asking you people. Should I repeat? Look now. After getting the value of P, you find out what is A. A, is it dependent on P? No. Therefore, both are satisfied. If A is dependent on P, then put and check. A should not be equal to 0. In this case, what is the value of A? P minus 6. When P equal to 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Not possible. So 6 is not a solution. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. Now second part. Another part is
X squared plus P X squared plus in bracket P minus 3.
X square plus P minus 3 times X.
Close X plus P equals to 0.
Plus P equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can do it now. Where is equal to 0 and all? This way it should not be. By A plus B and A. I check. Placing delta. So you are not able to. The basic, the following steps here. Look here. I need all of you to write these 3 steps compulsory. Means what is A, B, C. Given the equation has equal roots, therefore this is equal to 0. Then proceed. Okay. So here what is the value of A? 1. B.
B minus 3.
B minus 3. C.
C.
B. B or 1.
B.
Then you will write given that the equation has equal roots. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Replace b minus 3 whole square minus 4 times 1 times p equal to 0. P minus 3 whole square minus 4p equal to 0. Can you do the previous way? Can you do this way? You cannot do because you cannot make this as a perfect square.
Yes.
Are you followed? So you have to expand. Expanding what we get? P square minus 6p plus 9 minus 4p is equal to 0. P square minus 10p plus 9 equal to 0. Check the steps. Answer got. Then split the middle term.
I'm not solved.
You got till here?
Yes.
So, do you know how to split it?
Yes.
You have to find two numbers whose product is equal to
Sorry, 9.
9 and sum is equal to
Minus 10.
minus 10. That is splitting the middle term.
Yes.
Factorization. So you have to find out two numbers whose product is equal to 9 and sum is minus 10. So which are the two numbers? 9 and 1. 9 into 1 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Since we need minus, means both minus. P square minus 9p minus 1p plus 9 equal to 0. From here p is taken common. P minus 9 minus 1 into p minus 9. P equal to 9 or P is equal to 1. Is it both are satisfying? Check what is A. If anyone having a problem, tell. This is clear till here. It's clear, or till here. This is clear. This is clear. This is not followed. Identity A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So P square minus 2 times P times 3, that is 6P, plus 3 square 9 minus 4P. Understood? Yes or no? Then minus 6P and minus 4P is minus 10P. Vaishnavi, following or not? Yes or no? When binding and all GST and all going on, all were there. Ryan people were telling because it's already done. Quadratic equation.
So quadratic you also done.
No, that is you people. No?
So I am from random.
But they are quite different. Nobody knows. This is what is the term new thing I applied? Look here. Once again, all of you listen here. Last 2 years, how much ever you say online studies were not knowing most of you properly. So you tell whichever steps are not followed. When identity used, they are not followed, please ask. Don't hesitate to ask. If you have doubts, then immediately clarify. Nobody will say, oh, last year was online, so my performance is not good. Now that is all over. So tell, I have a problem, so then we will explain immediately. Then what you check now here. Steps up. Did you write this much? Then this one, this you got?
Yes.
A minus B whole square is what? What is the value of A here? What is the value of B? A, B is 3. You are going to use which identity? A minus B whole square. Yes or no? Which is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. This identity you are using now. So P minus 3 means, what is the value of A? P. B is equal to not minus 3 plus 3. This is minus and minus now. Then only comparison come now. A square means P square minus 2AB minus 2 into P into 3. 6P. Are you followed? B square, 3 square is 9. Are you followed? How to substitute?
Yes, sir.
Wherever clarification required, immediately ask. Don't waste the time. Immediately ask. Not getting whatever is written, you are getting something else, immediately tell. Okay, that more are there, parts are there? 2 parts only in that question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, third question. Read.
Third question. Find the value of m if the following equation has equal roots.
Same condition, no?
Yes.
Following equation has equal roots. Read the question.
In bracket m minus 2 bracket close x square
M minus 2 times x square.
times x square minus 5 plus m times x plus
This x, okay,
plus 16 equals to 0.
is equal to 0. Is the question?
Yes.
All of you can do it?
Yes,
What
sir.
should I do? Try now. A first is ABC tell. Then after that similar steps. A is equal to m minus 2. B is equal to minus of 5 plus m. C is equal to 16. Same situation given equal roots. Substitute and solve it. Try to do it yourself. Try to learn from your mistakes. Whichever clarifications are required, please tell and I'll explain to you. If you I have to come and ask you one time, you people should offer me more than 3 amperes if you want. Or problem is there. In a square of minus is how much? Plus. P minus 2, what else? What is the value P? P, then y minus 2. Understood? That's the mistake. So this is the minus. Let's okay. Try to get when the mistakes are immediately tell me, then I will explain. Okay? Expand. I mean, A plus B on 4 square. Y square is what it's saying. Now A plus B on square plus expand. This also expand. What are sitting and talking only? Combined work is going on.
No, sir. Sir, I completed without
Splitting middle term, both of you did together. How many of you got this answer? How many of you got this answer? Only 2, 3. Others are getting. Quickly do it because there are a lot of people are struggling. That is why. Don't get it. Equation got, look here, I will substitute. First is minus of 5 plus m, the whole square, minus 4 times m minus 2 times 16. This much all of you got, I hope. Then immediately don't multiply this minus. Square of minus is plus, so 5 plus m, the whole square. Minus 4 and 16 will come 64 times m minus 2. Is equal to 0. This also all of you follow? Okay, then we will expand with the identity. A plus b whole square, 5 square is 25, plus 2 into 5, 10m, plus b square is m square, minus 64 into m is minus 64m, minus minus is plus 128 equal to 0. First you write m square, 10m and this is coming in minus 54m. Plus 128 plus 20, 153. How many of you got this equation? 2, 3. Check. Now put it down. Okay. Product is equal to, now once again, next is factorization only. Next class I will explain once again factorization. One product is 153. If you are unable to do, just factorize. 153 take. 3 you can take. 3 by 1. 51 plus 3 is 54. You don't need to do further. So m square minus 51m minus 3m plus 153. Okay. Then m times m minus 51 minus 3 times m minus 51. Please clarify your doubts. So m has two values, m is equal to 51 or m is equal to 3. Now check what, here m minus 2 is involved. So check the value of a, 51 minus 2 not equal to 0, 3 minus 2 not equal to 0, so both are solutions. It's compulsory you have to check. Difficult. Problem. Tell na, I will explain na. Ritu followed. Problem. Avi, you have a doubt? Yes. We could do this exercise now. More questions are there in this exercise?
No, sir.
So homework exercise only you have to do it, isn't it? So that you can do it. Homework exercise you have to do it. Okay. Identities, you have to write and you have to learn. Even substitution also, there are people are getting confused. Okay. Identity, list of identity, you have to write which are the form. Write L. A plus B whole square. A minus B whole square. Then A plus B, A minus B. A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube. A cube minus B cube. Yes. That is A plus B square. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus. So please, yeah. So complete the homework part. Next class we will continue.
A plus B plus C.
Right, 160.
या फिर लेक्चर अटेंड करें पहले क्या मैम ग्रुप 1 में केमिस्ट्री